everyone, my name is Vadim Karolik. I'm an engineer here at LaunchDarkly working on the observability feature set. And today I'll be specifically talking about Session Replay, a new feature that we shipped that lets you reproduce exactly what issues your customers saw in their application. Think about a time when you got a customer support ticket saying that they ran into some particular issue clicking on a button on your site and you weren't even sure where to start. Well, today with Session Replay from LaunchDarkly, you're able to create a visual reproduction of exactly what their application was doing, putting together all the developer information that you need as an engineer to troubleshoot the technical details of what went wrong. So let's get into it.
Let's take a look at the Session Replay product together. What we have here on the left is a feed of individual user sessions recorded from your application. Each of these corresponds to one particular visitor visiting the site and using a particular browser. So we can search for structured attributes like a particular URL that a customer visited, a particular browser that they used, and other structured metadata that identifies every single session. When we actually click on one of these, we get a video-like recreation of what was going on in the application, what was that user doing, what was their product journey, and then also all of the necessary technical information about what the browser was doing in case an error happened. You see here on the screen, we get a video-like recreation of clicks. We see the mouse moving around, the session replay, and the way we capture all this information is we actually record the HTML DOM and how it changes over time. So we have a very efficient way to capture this and recreate it in an accurate but also debuggable way so that your engineering team can have all the necessary details to debug styling, rendering, other kinds of issues that are prevalent on the front end. We have a number of other attributes that are captured as well. So as you see here, as that user navigates through the application, we see clicks and other interactions recorded. We also get console logs that provide us details on metadata from the code executing and any exceptions that might have occurred. So if you see an exception at a particular point in time, you'll know what line of code emitted that exception, where it was coming from, and the URL that was affected, as well as a potential root cause. You'll also get time-synchronized API requests. So if you're trying to debug or dig into a particular reason that the session replay rendered something on the front end, you'll have all the information in one place to get to the bottom of it. Now, whether you're an engineer who's debugging or a product person who's trying to understand the user flows that your customers have on their website, this tool is for you because it has both sides of the coin in the same product where you can capture all of the meaningful information and slice it, dice it however you want to get the insights that you're looking for. We also seamlessly integrate with the LaunchDarkly SDK to capture your arbitrary track events and other metadata that you might be reporting in the session.
If you're already using the LaunchDarkly SDK, getting session replays is as easy as adding a few lines of code to your web application initialization snippet. It's super simple. You don't need to worry about much configuration, and it just works out of the box by capturing all that information for you from your end users' browsers. And if you're not using LaunchDarkly, then what are you waiting for? It's time to get started.